two, three. So, good day, ladies and gentlemen. We are here to discuss about a controversial topic on which island was held the first mass of the Philippines in the Philippines. So, the participants will debate on which island. Is it Limasawa Island or Butuan Island? So, the first participant who will debate in the Limasawa side is Dane Ash Ignacio. So each person has a 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then Ash Ignacio, your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1. Go.
My name is Lena Ignacio, and I side to the Limasawas debate that it is the first look it is the location of the first mass. Simply because the evidences that supported the Limasawa is based on Antonio Pigafetta's detailed account of Ferdinand Magellan's expedition, which explicitly states that the first Mass was held on Easter Sunday, March 31, 1522, on the island, southern tip of Leyte. Pigafetta's description aligns with Limasawa's geographical location and archaeological findings on the island, including the 16th century artifacts and remnants of early Christian structures, which supports the historical significance and uh, the supports the debate and the argument of it being the location of the first mass. So this claim is further reinforced the historians and was recognized by the Catholic Church and various Philippine government agencies alongside the island's
The
cultural.
timer. So the next participant is Carson Consina, who will debate on the Butuan side. So your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1. Go.
Hi, my name is Carson Consina of the Butuan side, and we on the side of Butuan strongly believe that the law is on your side and it is not sufficient or a just proclamation, knowing that it was not even approved by the higher ups in the first place and no scientific points to back it up. Now, we're going to take a look at the accounts of Pigafetta and Albo as our foundation. The word Limasawa, mass, was not mentioned at all in their records. It is essential to correct history, which is supported by scientific analysis, wherein, according to the Butuan City Cultural and Historical and Foundation and Butuan government, a large number of more than 1,600-year-old barangay boats were found in 1976, Masao River. Furthermore, on a statement of a well-known historian, Father Fernando Collins, in his work labor, Evangelica, he asserted that Magellan went to Butuan and there he implemented the first mass and erected the cross, and to support this by Antonio Pigafetta.
Okay, thank you, Sir Carson Consina. So the next participant who will debate on the Limasawa side is me, Gabriel Mario J. de Guzman. So the timer will begin in 3, 2, 1. So hi, I'm Gabriel Mario J. de Guzman, and I will be debating on the Limasawa side. So Limasawa is the formerly known as Mazawa Island during the expedition of Magellan in the Philippines. And here's why. So in the context of Limasawa Island, it was written in the diary of Pigafetta that the Limasawa is the location where the first mass is held, was held. So it was studied by modern historians such as um, Anna Regidor and William Henley. And they justify that Magellan and Pigafetta did not hold the mass in Butuan, but rather they were just invited by the Laho of Butuan. And another scholar named Father Miguel Bernard published a statement in 1981, wherein after thoroughly examining all maps and documents, he clarified that the claim for Butuan as the site of the first mass was rather a mistake. So he stated that the mistake stemmed from the misunderstanding of the historical chronicles of the history of the Butuan and the Masawa. So, wait. Okay. So the next participant who will debating on the Butuan side will be Sir Nair Calinero. And your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
So I'm Naim Caminero and I'm on Butuan side for this debate. According to the research, Marvel studied the way how Magellan travels in Spain to Philippines. Concluding on his research, he mainly stated that that Magellan does concludes to the place where the first mass is celebrated, which was in Butuan. One of the main evidences that supports the claim was the Balanghay boat, which was stated uh, of Crescent Consina. According to the historian Gregorio Zaide, his which he was also in the site of Limasawa, he said this: "It is high it is a high time for contemporary historians and the Philippine government to correct their mistake and accept that the first Christian mass was celebrated in Masao, Butuan, Agusan del Norte, and not in Limasawa Leyte on Easter Sunday, March 31, 1521." So it basically says that the government only stated that, not literally stated, but rather they mistakenly thought that it was celebrated first on Limasawa and not on Butuan, but it was first celebrated in Butuan.
Okay, thank you, Sir Calinero. So the next participant who will be debating about the Butuan side is Sir Dr. Verwin. Your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm Baron J. Doctor, and I'm on the side of Butuan. So using the primary sources available, Jesuit priest Miguel A. Bernard in his work lays down the argument that Pigafetta's account, a crucial aspect of Butuan, should have been mentioned. In Butuan, if we observe, it was one ancient kingdom which has been evident that there was already a prior ancient community. Additionally, a crucial piece of evidence is the Murillo Velarde map, dating back to 1734, which indicates that Magellan's troops visited Butuan before returning to Limasawa and Cebu. This map serves as a valuable historical document that sheds light on the sequence of events during the early Spanish expeditions in the Philippines. Furthermore, historical records from 1872 describe how Catholics placed a cross to mark the location of the first mass. Currently, in this timeline, this place can be found or visited in Magallanes near Butuan, which is why I claim that the first mass site was in Butuan. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Dr. Verwin, for your statement of debate. So our next, so let's move on to our rebuttal. So the first one who will rebut on the Butuan side is Sir Chrysen Consina. Your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Who will the first participant rather, who will state their opinion and rebut the Limasawa side is Sir Grayson Consina. So your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
And I guess so far with all of the proclamations and analysis and information expressed by both sides of the debate, I guess mm, it's not really certain if whoever came first based on dates or whatever. But since both of us have the same sources, yun nga, tulad nga kay Magellan nga and kay Antonio Pigafetta, uh, I wouldn't say that I agree, but I wouldn't say that I disagree at the same time. But just to add, na in Colin's account was considered reliable, and I believe that. And there was a monument erected during the year 1872 to commemorate the first mass in Batuan in April 15, 21. And again, like I've mentioned in my previous statement, that Balanghay boats were found in since more than 1,600 years ago. And for that, I just believe that it's the birthplace of Christianity in the Philippines, which is Masao Butuan.
Okay, timer's up. So the next participant who will debate who will rebut um, the Butuan side in the Limasawa side is Lena Ash Inacio. Your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
As a rebuttal to the statement of Contino, wherein he said that there is no government, the government didn't verify that Limasawa is the um, location of the first mass. Well, it says here that Kahimunan Festival is implemented because Philippine government agencies alongside the island cultural commemoraties verified Limasawa as the location of the first mass. Also, when it says that when Calinero says that Ferdinand Magellan visited Butuan, it is in fact true because there is archaeological findings as well as evidences that Magellan was uh, indeed landed on Butuan. However, it did not specify that it held on Butuan. It just said that it Butuan celebrated the first mass, but it did not stated that Butuan held the first mass. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Lena Ash Inacio. So the next participant who will rebut the Limasawa side is Sir Calinero. And your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
So as it was stated na ganun nga, morally it yes, it was stated that it was celebrated on Butuan and didn't said that it was held. But in fact, why would we celebrate it on that particular city when we know that it wasn't held there, right? Like, and also it was stated that Friar Pedro Valderrama celebrated Mass together with Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan and his men, and also Pigafetta. With the Spaniards were there, ruler of Mazawa Raha Siao, and his brother Raha Colombo, the ruler of Butaan. Afterwards, they planted a cross on the highest hill and stayed in the area for 7 days and helped in the rice harvest for 2 days together, with more than 100 of Raha's men. Also, it was stated by Father Joselio Amalia. When they arrived on Good Friday, they were harvesting rice for 2 days. That means to say that the place they went was Mazawa, not in Limasawa, but somewhere in Mindanao. Meaning to say it was not stated it particularly in Limasawa. That's all I can
So
say.
time is up. So the next participant who will rebut Carinero's stand is me, Governor J. Guzman. My timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. So for the question, I have a question. So how can the government and law verify a historical event if it is fraud? So how can it be celebrating the 500th anniversary of Limasawa, the first mass of Limasawa? So how? So basically, Buto 1 is just a misinterpretation and incorrect reading of the chronicles of Pigafetta. So it was based on of many researchers, just like more Dr. Mora, um, William Henry, and eminent Filipino historian. It is a incorrect reading and interpretation of the chronicles of Pigafetta on the chronicles of the expedition. So basically, um it brings confusion. It brought confusion to the topic of where what island that hold that held the first mass in the Philippines. So basically, it is a incorrect reading of the chronicles. And it was verified by the law and the government that the first island is Limasawa and formerly known as Masawa Island. That's all. So the next participant who will rebut the Limasawa side is Sir Dr. Garwit. Your timer will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
I think the name Mazawa in Pigafetta's account, which also refers to Limasawa, can be a confusion because see that both names are almost identical to each other. But some additional evidence about the Butuan site is the Balangay artifacts. These wooden boats were discovered by locals while searching for alluvial gold on land near the Masaw River, which the National Museum excavated in uh, Butuan in 1976. Yung mga, yun ang muna.
So that's all. Okay. Thank you, Sir Doctor. So, so are there any thoughts about the debate and the rebuttal side? Are there any thoughts or opinions or statements that we'll express here right now? So, none. So let's move forward to our conclusion. So, thank you. Thank you for all the participants and guests. And I'd like to bring this discussion and debate to a close. So many thanks for our time, for your time and our time, and for sharing your thoughts with us today. Have a great rest of the day, wherever you happen to be in the world. Thanks, everyone, and goodbye. Stop recording, please.